In this video, we're going to be going over how to change your Instagram username. So you're only able to do this on a mobile device. So I'm on my phone here, and the first thing you want to do is open up the Instagram app, not just a web page, the actual app. And then you want to go over, and I'm going to click the bottom right hand side and go into my profile. Once I click my profile picture, I'll be in there. And then from here, what you need to do is you'll see edit profile on the top left side over here. I'm going to click into edit profile, and you're going to see something that says name and then username. Now, username is what you're going to want to change. The name is kind of just your display, what people see. But if people are searching, then you want to change your actual username here. And you cannot change it a bunch of different times real quickly. There is a limit on how often you can change this or change it back to your name. But once you're in here, all we're going to do is type in our new name. So we would type in whatever we would want here, and then we would click done, and that would then change our username. Again, make sure you read the bottom here that you can only change your username back to that same name in 14 days. And when you do change your name, it is going to be open, so someone else could actually come in and take it. So that's how you change your username. And then if you want to change your actual name in here, this is kind of your nickname, then you can come in and change this as well so it matches. But that's how you can change your Instagram username.